Hey everybody, how are you beautiful people doing on this Christmas day? Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I hope you're having a good Christmas. I know sometimes Christmas can be hard. It's not merry for everybody, but if it's not for you, we're all giving you warm hugs and good wishes. And hopefully it is. But today we're at number 25. Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, the last one. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to do a giveaway. So I hope you stay till the end so you can see what you might get. And I'm doing a giveaway because I appreciate all you guys watching and subscribing. It makes my heart happy. So I figured I'd share a little bit myself. So this is pretty big. Let's see what we got. I'm also going to do I'm going to try to recap it at the end. See what all we got. I don't know what this is. It feels like a bag. Maybe a bag. Oh, good old nice tote would be nice, wouldn't it? Okay, so let's see what she's wearing, what earrings she has, because this is the last day. Well, it's been fun. It's been super fun, you guys. Super, super fun. Okay.
Good morning, everybody. Mr. Ron and I are just fancied up for you today. I've got my pearls on. It's day 25. Look at him over there in his beautiful Christmas coat, all for you guys. Anyway, it's day 25, so let's see what's in our Christmas box, our very last gift. All right, here it is. It's a big one. Look at that. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, you guys, I hope you love this so much. So this is a project bag. It is pretty large. It has all kinds of pockets, and you can see we put a drawing of our tools, the things that you can put in there and take with you when you need to go to a retreat or when you just want to keep a project separate. It's got little tiny pockets up here for bobbins or needles or whatever you want. There's also some elastic over here that will hold things in. This has a belt for your projects so they don't go sliding anywhere, and you can put your blocks in there. It's made to hold a 12.5-inch square block. This is also a little pocket to put your smaller pieces in so you can still see what you've got, but it just slides in under there. And these clip close over it just like this. And then as you fold it right here, it has these nice little drawers on it where you can just pull up your zipper and close it up. So you can just zip it up like this, and it keeps everything snug and secured inside, and you can zip it from either side, and so it makes it really awesome. It's got an outside pocket right here, and just in case you lose it, it's got the little luggage pocket on it where you can put your name and your info so somebody can get your project back to you. It's a quick, easy, take-on-the-go project bag, and we hope you enjoy it so much.
Yes, we
Happy
do.
day 25.
Bye, Ron.
Merry
Bye,
Christmas.
Jenny. Well, I love the color. I like this bag. Let's see. You have all your, I'm going to take this stuff out. Well, so you can see what you can fit in there. All the pockets. And then you got little things you can put, like this thing that I use like crazy. That can go in there because that'll hold it. You got little things like this. Little things like that. What did she say this was for? It's got a thing, and then I guess you can just snap it in here. Let's see. Snap it in there. Again, it's just a big bag. Put stuff in it and then hold it down. Well, this was a very nice ending to a great box. And this was, she was talking about the name tag. This is, let's zip it up. I'm sure you can use this for a multitude of things besides a project bag. Could you use it for a computer bag, a travel bag? Sewing case project bag is how it's labeled. I mean, your computer would hold in that thing too. It's got this thing right here for, oh, that's for the thing. So, that's good size. Yes. That's good if you go to your friend's house and want to take your stuff with you. That's perfect. Thank you, Jenny. Okay. I'm loving that bag, loving that bag, loving that bag. All right, so let's talk about what we got this year. So what we got this year is, hold on, because I gotta let Lily out. She's a wanderer. She can't stand to be cooped up. Poppy's just fine sitting with me. So this year in our box, let's see, we got 3 charm packs, 2 templates, 7 patterns, 13 notions, and I'm gonna say 9 miscellaneous, like the book or the mug. So let's talk about what we got. We got on day 1 the Snuggly charm pack. On day 2 we got the sweater template, the pattern, and the Sew Light Fusible. On day 3 we got the flathead pins in a case. Day 4 we got plates. Day 5 we got fabric twine tree patterns and them styrofoam trees that I made as sparkles. Day 6 we got the cookie rolling pin and the cookie recipe. Day 7 we got a Kona charm pack that went with day 8, the Starlight Table Runner pattern with the polytherm fleece to make the table runner. Day 9 we got the clip light chargeable. It's a chargeable clip light that's pretty bright. Day 10 we got the box that holds 2 sets of playing cards. See, pretty nice box. Day 11 we got the felt bird kit with the pattern. Day 12 we got the silicone ironing mat. Day 13 we got the sewing edge vinyl strips. Day 14 we got the Wandering Ways charm pack. Day 15 we got a pattern for the bag to go with the Wandering Ways charm pack with Sew Light Fusible and the handles, the wood handles and snaps. Day 16 we got the Swedish dishcloths. Day 17 we got the pressing turning tool and the Roxanne glue stick. Day 18 we got the Hexie pillow pattern with the pre-cut Hexie fusible fleece and the Hexie template. Day 19 we got the quilting puzzle book. Day 20 we got the crystal bowl and the pin cushion with the pattern with the embroidery floss. Day 21 we got the sticky notes, this stationary little kit with sticky notes. Day 22 we got the 10 traveling sewing kits with the little re-rotor cutter that was in there. Day 23 we got the quilting mug. Day 24 we got the quilt novel, and day 25 we got the sewing project bag. I told you guys at the end of the thing, after we recapped, I'm gonna do a giveaway. And so I felt like I got so much good in this box, and it being Christmas and all, and you guys have done me worlds of wonder by liking and subscribing and commenting, and made my heart happy, so I'm going to try to make your heart happy. So I think if you'll comment down below, do you wear, put in a sentence, whether you wear your pajamas all day on Christmas, or if you actually get dressed on Christmas. Because we wear our pajamas all day on Christmas in this house. We cook, we eat, we do whatever in our pajamas. Do you do that? We do that. Because we're lazy bumpkins, and that's okay. So, this is what I've decided to give away. Okay, first, I'm giving, included in it is this, the stationery set with the sticky notes. I really like it. But I have a lot, so I feel like, you know, somebody else. And this is a really good hefty tin if you want to take your sticky notes out. This tin's heavy. You can put, you know, anything else in it. It doesn't matter. Okay, that's the first thing. Then what's included is the template. A lot of people's been asking about this template, and I haven't seen it on there yet, on their website yet, but I've already made mine, so, you know, I'll be glad to share the template and the sewing pattern that it comes with. I've already used the fusible fleece, so you'll have to get your other supplies, but the template and the pattern. So that's two things. And the vinyl strips that help you sew your straight line. I have tons of, what I use is the diagonal seam tape. So this, I've already unwrapped it. Y'all know I've already unwrapped it. It hasn't been used. It's pulling a little bit up there, but they are reusable, and it helps you do the straight line on your sewing. So I'm going to include that. I'm going to include the pattern with the instructions on how to do the fabric twine trees, because I've already done my trees. And I'm including this awesome felt bird kit. It comes with the embroidery needle is right there. It comes with the floss, the 2 colors of floss. It comes with the wool felt pieces. They're already pre-cut. You can see this is pre-cut out to be a bird. And you'll have to get your own fiber fill, but it also comes with the pattern, the felt bird kit. It's not I don't like it. I think it's gorgeous. I really do. The problem is it's going to sit in my closet, and it's not going to do anything but sit there. And I don't want to put stuff in there that's just going to sit there when somebody else would love to have it. And I'm giving away, you know, I'm giving this away. I'm sorry, but I got enough cleaning supplies. I'm sure it's wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. But it'll look cute in your kitchen. One, I think it was Tessa that said you can frame them if you want to frame them. And so the rules are going to be, you have to be a subscriber. You have to be public so I can see that you're a subscriber. I can see if you're public, if you're subscribed or not. If you're private, I can't see. So your subscriptions have to be public. Put down in the comments below, give me a sentence of whether you wear your pajamas on Christmas Day or you get dressed on Christmas Day. And of course, United States only. Sorry. My husband is half Canadian, half American. Sorry about that, but got to go with the United States for shipping purposes. And 18 and over. So, this is my giveaway. Nothing to do with YouTube, just me. So, I hope that you guys like what I'm giving. And who don't like anything for free, especially on Christmas? And I'll pick a winner, randomly pick a winner from your comments, and you'll email me and I'll ship it out to you. And if you don't claim it, then we'll pick somebody else. So I hope that everybody is having a good day. If you're not, warm hugs to you. I get it. Holidays are hard. But hopefully everybody's having a good holiday. And y'all have a happy new year if I don't see you before then. Because New Year's when I'm going to let you know who won. So hugs and warm wishes to everybody on this day and these holidays. And y'all have a great night. Bye-bye.